If you are on an E-2 visa and thinking about applying for a green card, you might be asking, can I do that without messing up my E-2 status? It's a smart question. The short answer, yes. But it's kind of complicated. Let me walk you through what you really need to know. I'm Shariq Khan, the South Asian attorney. I'm licensed to practice law in the US, and I help people worldwide with US immigration law. First, what kind of visa is the E-2 really? The E-2 visa is what's called a single intent visa. This means that when you apply for it, you're saying, I plan to return to my home country when I'm done running my business. It could be after 5 years or 40 years. Your intent should be to return home. This is unlike the H-1B or the L-1 visas, which basically allow dual intent, meaning that you want to go to the US on a temporary basis, but you might end up applying for a green card while you're there. Again, E-2 is a single intent, not a dual intent visa. So what happens if you do start a green card application on an E-2 visa? Here's where things get tricky. If you apply for a green card on an E-2 visa, you're sending a mixed message. You're saying that I came temporarily, but now I want to stay permanently. And that contradiction can make it harder to renew your E-2 or cause issues if you travel abroad and try to re-enter the US. And if your green card application gets denied, you may not be able to come back on an E-2 visa. And this is because the government might say, you already showed us intent that you want to stay in the US, so we are not going to let you in. So does this mean that you're stuck and can't apply for a green card? Nope, not at all. But you got to be careful. There are two ways to apply for a green card without totally tanking your E-2 status. Option 1, apply for a green card while in the US. So you can apply for the green card from inside the US, right? Let's say that you get married to a US citizen, or you get sponsored by an employer. In these cases, you're eligible for a green card from inside the US. And this is called adjustment of status. But do not travel internationally while your green card is pending. Leaving the US during this time without proper advance parole could cause your whole application to be denied. Option 2, consular processing from your home country. This is when you apply for the green card at a US consulate abroad. This way, you're not contradicting your current E-2 intent because you already went back home. But here's the risk. If your green card application is denied, your immigrant intent is now on record. And that could make it very hard to return to the US on your E-2 visa because now the government knows that you want to stay in the US. Bottom line, yes. E-2 visa holders can apply for a green card, but you've got to play it smart because E-2 is a single intent visa and you got to show intent to return home. If you found this video helpful, please share it with other people who might need this information. Again, I'm Shariq Khan, the South Asian attorney.